Welcome back. We are still on the topic straight lines. In the previous video, we solved a question on finding the equation of a straight line when it is perpendicular to another straight line with known equation. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is: find the equation of the line which passes through the point 2, 4 and perpendicular to the line 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. So this straight line passes through the point 2, 4, and at the same time it is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. We have learned that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the gradient of the first line times the gradient of the second line is equal to minus 1. So if we're able to find the gradient of the line 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0, and we multiply it by the gradient of the line that passes through the point 2, 4, we are going to get negative 1. With that, we can find the gradient of the line that passes through the point 2, 4. With the gradient and the point 2, 4, we can then find the equation of the line. So let's represent the gradient of the line 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0 with m1. And then we represent the gradient of the line that passes through the point 2, 4 with m2. We have seen from the question that the line 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0 is perpendicular to the line that passes through the point 2, 4. So since the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the gradient of the first line, which is m1, times the gradient of the second line, which is m2, will give us minus 1. With this equation, we can find the gradient of the line that passes through the point 2, 4. With the gradient and the point 2, 4, we can then go ahead and find equation of the line. So first, we have to find m1. The equation of the line is 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Using this equation, we can find the gradient of the line. We have learnt that in order to do that, we will have to compare the equation of this line with the general equation of a straight line. The general equation of a straight line is of the form y is equal to ms plus c. And if you express the equation of a straight line in the form y is equal to ms plus c, m will give us the gradient of the line. So first, we have to express this equation of a straight line in the form y is equal to ms plus c. So we will first have to make y the subject. In doing that, we will have minus 4y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. We divide both sides by minus 4. So you divide the left hand side by minus 4 and you divide the right hand side by minus 4. So minus 4 and minus 4 here will cancel. In the videos on fractions, we learned that minus 2x plus 1 divided by minus 4 can also be written as minus 2x divided by minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4. So our equation is y is equal to minus 2x divided by minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4. Minus 2 will cancel minus 4. So we will have y is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 4 give us 1 divided by 2. So we have 1 divided by 2x. 1 divided by minus 4 is the same as minus 1 divided by 4. So our equation is y is equal to 1 divided by 2x minus 1 divided by 4. We have now expressed this equation in the same form as the general equation of a straight line, so we can compare them. So by comparing y is equal to 1 divided by 2x minus 1 divided by 4 with y is equal to ms plus c, we can see that m, which is the gradient of the line, is equal to 1 divided by 2. Remember, we said that the gradient of the line 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0 is represented by m1. So m1 is equal to 1 divided by 2. We have seen that m1 times m2 is equal to minus 1. Remember that M2 is the gradient of the line that passes through the point 2, 4. We have found M1 to be half, so we will replace M1 with half. This will give us 1 divided by 2 times M2 is equal to minus 1. We want to find M, so I'll multiply the left hand side by 2 and the right hand side by 2 to cancel the fraction. This will give us 2 times 1 divided by 2 times M2 is equal to minus 1 times 2. 2 and 2 will cancel, so you have 1 times M2, which is M2. Minus 1 times 2 will give us minus 2. So M2 is equal to minus 2. It means that the gradient of the line that passes through the point 2, 4 is minus 2. So now we have the gradient of the line to be minus 2 and the line passes through the point 2, 4. With the gradient and the point 2, 4, we can find the equation of the line. We are going to use the formula that we've been using all along. Y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. M is negative 2, x1 is 2, and y1 is 4. We substitute this information into the formula. We are going to have y minus 4 is equal to minus 2 into bracket x minus 2. We expand the bracket and then we simplify. We are going to have y minus 4 is equal to minus 2 times x will give us minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 2 will give us positive 4. I want to group all the terms in the equation on one side, and I want the coefficient of x to be positive. So I will send minus 2x and 4 from the right hand side to the left hand side. And this will give us 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. We simplify this further and we are going to have 2x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So we can say that the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 4 and perpendicular to the line 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0 is 2x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on finding the equation of a straight line when it is perpendicular to another straight line with known equation. Bye-bye.